Welcome to another edition of Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks. I believe this is Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks 18. 18 weeks in a row now. Hey, it's going to be a short one. It's the middle of the winter. I'm not out doing a lot of restaurant reviews. It's going to be a short one, but an important one. 768 billion. 768 billion with a B dollars were spent on the internet last year in 2021. 768 billion dollars. 90% of those sales were made through an affiliate marketer like me. Guess how many are reported to be how much in sales for 2022? COVID ain't going anywhere, and people have learned that they don't have to go to stores. Now they're coming back out to stores, so stores have picked up a little, but you've seen what's happening to shopping malls. They're closing up all over the place. Guess what is predicted to be sold on the internet in 2022? Over $1 trillion. Do you know what $1 trillion is? That's 1,000 billion. 1,000 billion dollars. That's $1 million. Wouldn't a lot of us just be happy with $50,000 or $75,000 of that? A cut of that? That's not hard to get. Now, I'm not going to be happy with that. But a lot of you would be as a side hustle. Wouldn't you be happy with an extra 50 grand next year? This coming year that we're in right now? If you do nothing, how's that going to happen? I'm inviting you again to come join me in Entre Institute and learn a trade. Learn a trade that they could drop you in the middle of the woods as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, and you could make money. Or they could drop you on a beach as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. Or wherever it is you'd like. A coffee shop. Or at home with your kids and your dog. So all of you folks that I've spoken to, not all of you, but some of you that have said, I just don't think there's enough money in it. Really? $1 trillion, 1,000 billion, $1 million this year will be spent on the internet. 90% of those sales will be made by affiliate marketers. That means $900 billion will be made by affiliate marketers just like myself. Which means, what is that? $900 million? Come be an affiliate marketer with me. The link is going to be down below. That's it for this week. Be grateful in all you do.